Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how the property loan will be created in Jainam Software. So just have a look. From the search bar, search one customer. So here I have created one customer. So just click on the loan. And here you can see the loan entry form. So go to the personal from property and now there is property details. So area wise information we need to fill up. Let's take a plot number 234, plot address 234 Rajguru Nagar, plot area will come in acres. Let's take a 3 acre, extra plot area 2 acre, and built up area we can take 2 acre, and super built up area 1 acre. So total construction area will become 3 acre. So rate take 2 lakh for example per acre. So how much it will come? 6 lakh. For 3 acre it will come 6 lakh. Extra amount if any charges, if anything 10,000 we can take. So it will come 6 lakh 10,000. Market rate we can take like for example 3 lakh. So market value it becomes 9 lakh. So all this information need to add to the draft. After that, registration detail, the booking number, for example some booking number, booking date, the registration number and registration date. Agreement number you need to fill up and agreement date also you need to fill up. Sale deed number, let's take a 456 sale deed number, and sale deed date also you need to set. Then invoice number, if invoice number and invoice date. After setting this, just all this add to the draft, and then dealer information. The owner count, let's take suppose owner is two owners, and agent name Ram and executive name for example Sham. Just add to the draft. And the amount. So amount it will come 6 lakh 10,000. If any discount given, then let's take a 10,000 discount, and down payment for 2 lakh. So any service charge or any you can add. So the final balance will come 4 lakh. So just this add to the draft. Now we have saved all this information. After that we can create loan on this. So let's take this 4 lakh. We need to create a loan on 4 lakh. For example, let's take 0% interest with 30 month and just calculate. Now this calculation has come, and just save this, and we can search the loan number 76. So from the search bar, search loan number 76. Here you can see the property loan one created the Ramesh customer against Ramesh customer, and let's see the installment tracker. So here the principal amount is 4 lakh and the amount 13,333 is the monthly installment for 30 months. So from here we can receive one payment, cash or bank. Just receive this, and now we have received one installment. Now go to the installment tracker and just refresh. Now you can see here in green color it indicates that one installment received successfully. So this type we can create property loan in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.